Livy and I are here at Manuel Antonio Beach. We have it to ourselves. I think it's because it's closed, but no one has come to tell us. Espadilla, I guess?
Espadilla Beach.
So,
this is the north. Espadilla North.
Really bright, pretty, a little bit rough. So we're not going to snorkel on this beach. There's no one else on this beach.
Yeah, I wonder why.
There comes Mom.
This water is like the most perfect temperature on Earth.
Too warm.
What was funny? I wish I'd had the camera on when that was.
Our own private beach.
Did you hear him go nuts?
Yeah.
That's really funny.
Organization of this guy, like the social organization, is amazing.
Yeah.
They actually are run by a leader that believes it's going to be an alpha. Alpha means that it's a male, right? And the males, they are really aggressive, right? Because that's going to be the way they gain that throne.
Right.
Fighting.
Yeah.
They got to be tough.
Are the males
It's really
bigger?
A little bit bigger, right? It's really easy to recognize it actually.
Yeah.
Because it has this kind of like dominant behavior. Like even the way the animal move and everything, like you see the way like everything is so like yeah, exactly, yeah. And at some point there's going to be a lot of young males trying to get to that throne because he's the one who actually get all the attention. Yeah. And also there is something really interesting about these guys, is their attention to detail. That's the tail that we call a semi-prehensile tail. So they can actually use the tail as another arm, as another member. If they lose it, that's a fight.
Yeah.
When they go like that, that means their fight styles are different.
Right. Is the largest reptile the crocodile?
Crocodile and this turtle that we have in the ocean, this ocean.
Oh.
The leatherback sea turtle.
Are they gonna eat us?
This guy?
The crocodiles.
Oh, the crocodiles? Yeah,
They're
of
gonna
course.
eat us.
If you...
Of course they'll
So don't go in
you
the
don't wanna
ocean?
yeah. No, here. No, crocodiles, to be honest with you, they have some sort of like a tolerance to salty water, but it's not a lot. They're not related to each other. They don't belong to the same family.
No?
They are in the same order, remember, the Cayosa order, but they're not in the same
You can
family.
see here.
Yeah, actually, the first thing you gotta go after to recognize a sloth, a 3 or 2, a 3 or 2 finger sloth, it's by the color, right? The 2 finger sloth, it's bigger, and the hair is gonna be more light brown hair. It looks like Chewbacca, so hairy. It's a ball of hair, a giant ball of hair. This one, the hair is really thick, it's smaller, and also
It's all the way
the characteristics of the animal. Yeah, it's gonna be more spiky.
Dang.
And also the behavior. That's another thing you have to learn. When you find a sloth moving a lot, that's gonna be a chance that we have it.
So much hotter.
That's the reason why I'm gonna try to set up the land over here in the shade.
It's one that we can actually see with our bare eyes.
You got it? It's literally right over there.
Did you see it?
This
This is Monkey TV. They look down.
Watching the people.
They watch us. We should do more interesting things.
Let me down.
Spider monkeys in La Frontera, it looks like they were trying to throw something.
Sometimes they go like that.
Like they were trying to throw like the fruits up on the trees.
It Sand is hot. Here we are on Manuel Antonio Beach. Kind of a lot of people. Okay, this is where we decided to hang out. Look at that. Pretty cool. Beautiful beach. The water is almost too warm. There's crabs all over here. There are so many leaves out there. Oh, he's still there. He's eating something. Or trying to eat something.